Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Welcome if you're new here. My name is Laisha and today I am super excited to be sharing with y'all how I created a DIY sofa table. It was super easy. It didn't take a lot of tools. One table saw, some sanding materials, some gel stain, and we have ourselves a coffee table. A sofa table. But without further ado, let's get into it. Now I had the gentleman at Lowe's to cut the wood down for me. I let him cut him at least 2 inches larger than or longer than I needed them to be so that I could take off what I needed to take off and give it that 90-degree angle cut. And here I am making my first cut. I was so pleasantly surprised at how easy this was. And y'all, kudos to me because this was my first time using this table saw and I actually loved it. So it's making me want to do more projects. First cut is looking real good, y'all. Look how clean that is. Gotta do that for the other side. This is going to be one of the legs. And do that for the second leg, and then I have to do that for the top of the tabletop at the edges so that it will meet. But yes, woohoo! Look at me, my first cut on a table saw. If I can do it, you can do it, and it's fun. So I thought that I was filming myself cutting this edge here, and I wasn't. The camera wasn't rolling. However, I did make a mistake. I wound up cutting it the wrong way, so then I had to go back and flip the board and cut it. So hence this little mistake right there, but we are going to fix that. I have some wood filler that I can use, and we're gonna fix that right on up. But I did cut all of the pieces. The other end is cut. So now it's just a matter of putting the pieces together. And I use this kind of thin board. It's not gonna be a wide, thick, heavy table because that's not really what I need. I just need something to go behind the sofa that I can put the core on. And I just wanted it to be a little longer than the table that's already back there. So this is why I'm creating this. But yeah, I mean, it was fun working with the table saw. I did enjoy it, and I think that I will be mastering it pretty soon because I do love making things, building things. I love working with wood, and so I am going to be a self-taught carpenter, if you will. Here are my 3 pieces of wood already cut down. I'm going to be sanding down the bottoms, the edges, so that they are not rough. I'm gonna give the wood a little sand anyway. I'm gonna be applying that black gel stain that I mentioned, but it's looking pretty good. Those edges are looking nice. Now I just have to put those 3 pieces together. I'm gonna use my clamps and some wood glue and let it dry probably overnight because I'm tired already. I've been doing a lot today already and I'm tired. So I will come back to y'all when I'm ready to start gluing and clamping. Off camera, I filled in some of the imperfections on the wood, and now I'm just giving it a little light sand just to smooth those edges out, those pieces out. I'm also going to be sanding the whole board, actually with a 220 grit sandpaper just to smooth it out before I apply that gel stain. pieces are all patched up, patched in some of the larger knots. Didn't have to be perfect. The goal was not for it to be perfect. I like that it's going to be perfectly imperfect. And so, yeah, we'll put some of that. There's there, that tastes good. I've sanded them. I have wiped them down with a damp cloth. That was a big knot there. So fix that. She's feeling good. And so now I'm going to get ready to assemble this baby. And pardon the noise in the background if you hear it. My HVAC is running. I'm outside in my back patio. But yeah, we're going to get ready to put this thing together and see how it holds up. I hope that it's level. And then probably won't be staining it today. I'll be staining it tomorrow. Had a long day. It's my sister's birthday weekend, so we was outside. So now I'm back in here just doing these little few things before I have to stain the table. Now I use this wood glue and my speed square so that I could clamp the two pieces together so that I can create that perfect angle. And you will see that I was very generous with the glue because I really need this table to hold up. Unfortunately, y'all, I'm gonna have to do one leg at a time because I only have 2 speed squares, and so I want to keep this at a 90-degree angle, and so I will do the other leg tomorrow. But this is what it's looking like so far. I can't wait to be done assembling it so that I can get to the staining and get this thing done and behind the sofa with some beautiful decor on it. So I didn't need to bore y'all with the process of me doing the other leg, so I did that off camera. Everything is dry and ready to go. It's ready to be sanded. So I'm going in and doing a light sand on the whole table, and then we are going to be applying the gel stain. And look at that. She's looking good, y'all. She is looking good. She is sturdy, no wobbling. I'm so proud of myself for this. Somehow I lost the footage of me staining the table, but here she is in all her glory. She looks good. She is sturdy. I am excited to put some decor on top, and so we're going to do that now.
Cards on the table, your turn to play. We can't turn back now. We know how this will go. It's so sad that I'm leaving. I just don't see no other way. And it seems like you feel the same. Could have had everything, but you had to go and mess it all up. Whatever you want me to do, yeah, you know that I won't do that. When you're saying those things to me, keep on making me misbehave. I don't want you. When you're making me feel this way, like I'm the one to blame. Nah, bringing it all up. It's time to get out. Everything's different. I know how this will go. I'm so sorry for leaving. I can't even believe it. Maybe we'll meet again. Could have had everything, but you had to go and mess it all up. Whatever you want me to do, yeah, you know that I won't do that. When you're saying those things to me, keep on making me misbehave. I don't want you. When you're making me feel this way, like I'm the one to blame. Nah, yeah, yeah. Saying bad things to me, saying bad things to me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Saying bad things to me, saying bad things to me. Yeah, please just for once say that I'm right and you were wrong this time. Yeah, or maybe just leave me alone. Could've had everything, but you had to go and mess it all up. Whatever you want me to do, you know that I won't do that. When you're saying those things to me, keep on making me misbehave. I don't want you. When you're making me feel this way, like I'm the one to blame. Nah, yeah, yeah. Saying bad things to me, saying bad things to me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Saying bad things to me, saying bad things to me. Yeah. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Cards on the table, your turn to play. We can't turn back now. We know how this will go. It's so sad that I'm.
Let's take this show on the road. Same-ish, different day. I be bored out my mind. Hometown, love my place, but while I'm in my prime, gotta go get away. Hop a train, cop a flight, and ride. Tonight I gotta break free. My job, those boss be working my nerves.
I really love the way the sofa table turned out. I had fun building it. I hope you all had fun watching me create it. Really love that it gave me a nice space to decorate behind the sofa. I feel like it brings some depth and dimension to that area. Drop some comments down below. Let me know what y'all think.
Way too little, slow down. No, me and who when they see me out, booked it 'cause I'm not waiting around for you. Let's have me go Miami. Let's have me go Chicago.
tell friends. That brings us to the end of today's video. If you like content like this, DIYs, home makeovers, home refreshes, and all that good stuff, then consider subscribing. Join the family. Give this video a like and stay tuned for the next video, because I will be transforming this area here. I'm going to be giving this area a little makeover, so stay tuned for that. But until next time, bye y'all.